prepare yourself. I said, no, catch me off guard. Ain't that true? Let's show what kind of brain damage I got. I got more sense than anybody. Who can handle you like I'm handling you now? Brain damage. What's your question? And how did he intend to approach the fight? My plan is to dance. To dance in and out. It's only but 10 rounds.
Whoa, car, you're driving way too fast for that car.
Rounds on all judges' cards. It's my fight. Dancing all night, sticking and moving and dancing. As he spoke, he issued flurries of punches, replete with sound effects. All night, all cartoons. All of you 40-year-old men are going to be proud after this fight. All of you old men, we tell you you're 40 and you think you're finished. And you're washed up. As they say, life begins at 40. If you live right. And my fans, man, before I left the Bahamas last week to test my speed, I cut the light off in my bedroom. I hit the switch. I was in bed before the room was dark. After the flourish of that old line off in the tree.